This video is a demonstration of speech and audio signal processing course term project. This first slide is the outline of the presentation. First of all, we will have an overview of the project and then explain different stages of the project. This block diagram represents what actually this project is doing. The project is to write a MATLAB code that takes input signal from mic, using filter remove the noise from the input signal, then change the frequency or pitch of the signal, add a delay to the signal, and send the output signal to the speaker. Input from mic, this is the code for taking input from mic for 5 seconds using MATLAB web record function. Web record function records an audio sample at a frequency of fs Hz. This plot represents the input speech signal. Background noise degrades the quality of the speech signal. Various methods and algorithms have been developed to reduce the noise without affecting the quality of the speech signal. For reducing the noise of the input signal, the noise function is used, which is based on hand window and finite impulse response filter. The noise function removes noise of the input signal X and giving an output signal Y. The plot represents the signal after removing noise of the input signal. Frequency shift is a technique in which the original pitch of the sound is raised or lowered. Frequency of the filtered signal is shifted using interrupt move function. Interrupt move function shifts the frequency of the Y signal by in Hz, preserving the spectral envelope. This plot represents the signal after frequency shift. Time delay. This code is for adding a delay to the signal, that is, output comes after that much delay. This plot represents the signal after adding 0.2 second delay. Output, the filtered frequency shifted and delayed output signal is sent to the speaker. Sound function play a vector of sounds. Sound sends signal in vector Y with sample frequency fs out to the speaker. GUI, a user interface built with graphical objects such as text fields, sliders, push buttons, axes, edit boxes, radio buttons, pop-up menus, list boxes. My project GUI contains 2 push buttons, 4 axes, sliders, static text fields. Push button perform an action when user clicks on it. 2 push buttons are used, one for activating the program and the other one for exiting the program. Axes are used for something to draw upon. 4 axes are used for plotting input signal, filtered signal, frequency shifted signal, and delayed signal. Sliders are used for sliding back and forth between a minimum and maximum value. 2 sliders are used changing frequency of the filtered signal and the other one for adding delay to the signal. Static text fields are used for text stuck on the screen that cannot be added. Here the text fields are used for labeling the axis. This is the result of simulation. Now we will have MATLAB simulation. This plot represents the input speech signal. This plot represents the signal after removing the noise of the signal using hand, window and finite impulse response filtering. This plot represents the frequency shifted signal when the slider is moved right or left. This plot represents the signal after the delay when the slider is moved left or right.